I peep shit, I fall back. She call me, I don't call back. She say I love you, I tell her so. Cause I swear to God, she a fucking hoe. I love me a little dick chick. She fuck around and get the big dick. Clap for all you thought bitches. Fuck around through the whole spot, bitches. I come through and take your money. Y'all bitches real big and funny. Hop in, different niggas. Dicks like a fucking bunny. I trust no fucking body. Y'all bitches will get hit with the shotty. I do what I wanna do. Y'all niggas is so fool. Y'all niggas really think I trust, and I know y'all just want me for lust. I think it's time for me to move along, cause you niggas still ain't moving on. He downgrade to a sad bitch when he had him a real bad bitch. My CB gang winning, a bunch of bad bitches we sinning. We keep our shit classy. You thought bitches is trashy. Never let shit get past me. Gotta let this fucking money last me. I keep strong and I write songs. So you know that she dead wrong. She made a bed, she gonna lie in there. And I pray that God she gonna die in there. I cut you off like a mixtape. Gotta get my shit straight. My niggas, they on the run. Call them up, they carry guns. They don't care, they kill sons. I swear money come easy though. I don't mind killing a fucking hoe. I treat you bitches all the same. Like y'all some fucking lames. I'm like Kobe, I play the games. Boys when you say my name, cause I'm the one who made the fame. I rap for a reason, bitch. You covered for a season, bitch. He downgrade his whole life just for a fucking wife. I peep shit and don't say shit. Keep shit and don't pay shit. Last year I made 50 grand. Shorty said she need a man. Brought her one just cause I can. Money ain't no problem. If a nigga don't pay me, I'ma find him. Niggas better start using condoms, cause babies gon' be popping out. Niggas gon' be copping out. Saying that he fucking duffed her. We all know that he cuffed her. Niggas like you forever lacking. Why not forever packing? My blood niggas, we always stacking. Got the drugs, so what is cracking? Bitch, you never left my hood. Money comes and money goes. Yes, nigga, I got the hoes. Real bitches get real shit. That fake shit I don't deal with. 1, 2, nigga, screw you. Matter of fact, nigga, do you. I don't need your dusty ass. Niggas still think I need a fucking mask. Yes, I'm a bad bitch. Wait, are you mad, bitch? Cause I'm the one body look bad, bitch.